Physician who's had my license for 40 years and had a very strong biochemistry background, I can say, and seeing what's happening with the X39, I can say without a doubt that this is the most significant medical breakthrough in my lifetime.
Aloha everybody, happy Saturday. Don't forget to have fun and laugh as much as possible. You would have seen my previous posts. So I like to do things every day that increase my vibrational frequency and actually keep me healthy. So in addition, to a product that I wear that keeps me happy, healthy, and lifts my vibrational frequency, I do supplement. And one of those is watching funny movies. I have to tell you, I love the Golden Girls and Designing Women. So, watch whatever's going to make you laugh. And most importantly of all, be careful not to get sucked into those intel shows, those groups that continue to talk about, negativity and what's going on, or the news, because they're designed and have frequencies to actually lower your vibrational frequency. And keep you, really stuck in this sort of, fear mode. And I'm not good enough and I'm not going to heal. So we don't want to be in those kind of vibrational frequencies. And what people don't know is if you're watching those kind of intel shows and holding those people, oh my God, they're such gods, and you keep them in high on a pedestal and then also purchase their products and so on, you're actually saying yes to fear, yes to low vibration, yes to I want to be stuck in the sort of matrix and fear, low vibration mode. And really putting your plug into their socket, especially when you hand over and there's an exchange of energy, of money, that's what you're doing. Whereas if you're supporting someone that is inspiring you and helping you, with your ascension, with your health or whatever else, something positive, and you're actually supporting them, you're getting your little PowerPoint and you're plugging into that energy, and then what happens is you're going on a higher vibrational frequency and you're going up and up and up to the frequency of Christ consciousness and God, and that's when the magic happens and you start to attract good things. So have a look at where you're plugging in, because you may be plugging into people, chat rooms, intel, whatever, that's actually not serving you, but keeping you very low vibrational frequency, and most people are doing that. Now, another way I like to increase my vibrational frequency is to take nice long hikes. And today I've walked from Waikiki up to Diamond Head Road, and I'd like just to do a little bit of a twirl just so I can show you. This is one of my favorite spots, especially to watch the sunrise. So I want you guys to enjoy this beautiful view, because it's really going to increase your vibrational frequency and it's going to help with your health. So here we go. So I hope you enjoyed that little bit of a little bit of a showing here of up Diamond Head Road here in Honolulu. I'm so blessed to live here, and I just have so many beautiful nature locations that I can go to increase my vibrational frequency. So the message for today is be careful who you plug into and where you plug into, because that is the intention that you're setting of where you want your vibrational frequency to be. And if it's people still caught up in, you know, all the messiness of what's going on, then that's the vibration you're plugging into, messiness and low vibration. So plug into inspiration, plug into I want to improve my health, and take action steps to do that. And, you know, as I said, there are things you could be doing, incorporating to increase your vibrational frequency, which is what I do. I have something that I use daily. And then I do things such as watching funny things and coming out in nature. All right, everybody, enjoy your beautiful Saturday wherever you are. Hope you enjoyed this video. God bless.
An empowered life has no expiration date. We're all created to do incredible things, like conquer summits, catch big waves, and live our passions. As time goes on, our bodies begin to show signs that things just aren't as they used to be. Our energy levels decline, sleep patterns shift, and recovery slows. But our bodies are masterpieces of design, holding the potential to bounce back better than ever. With X39, we achieved something remarkable in the field of wellness and regenerative science that others could not. By utilizing LifeWave's unique patented technology, X39 uses light to elevate GHK-Cu, a copper peptide known to support overall health and wellness. Unlike traditional light therapy, which requires external light sources, X39 uses the body's own infrared light to naturally increase vitality, enhancing the body's flow of natural energy for improvements in strength, stamina, performance, and overall health and well-being, with the simplicity of an affordable, non-invasive, non-transdermal patch. As we age, levels of these life-enhancing elements, which are associated with wellness and longevity, begin to decline. LifeWave invested 10 years into stem cell research, which resulted in over 70 patents. X39 was born to bring to the public a product that can support wellness in an entirely new way, supporting the production of younger, healthier cells with wearable light technology. Becoming a powerhouse is easier than you think. Harness your body's natural potential to maintain youthful energy and vitality, because life comes at you fast, but it doesn't have to pass you by. Live long, live well, live young. Be the light with LifeWave X39. LifeWave.